Today I will share Milo PV energy storage system and the diesel generator complementary system. We know in Europe, America, Africa and Latin America, every household has a diesel generator in case of power outages. And the power from the PV and the storage system is much cheaper than the power from the grid or from the diesel generator. Now many users already have a PV grid type system. The important reason for us to make PV battery storage, diesel generator and the grid to complement with each other is to enhance the stability, reliability, load capacity of the power supply system for the users, providing a strong support for the demand for electricity. This system includes a PV. Here we use a PV simulation source equipment, a lithium battery, a hybrid inverter, a diesel generator, and a distribution box with an anti-backflow meter inside. By setting the hybrid inverter, the generator can achieve automatic start and stop in the on-grid and off-grid situations. Firstly, we choose auto in the generator interface and choose on. When the grid is disconnected, the inverter will automatically turn on the diesel generator to meet the power requirement of the loads. Now we simulate the power grid is cut off. We can see the generator status information on the generator interface. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos of Milo's new products.